Now in my last video, I installed this cold air intake on my truck and I absolutely love it, but there's a common thread of comments down in the video that I really need to address. Now most of the comments that I'm getting are actually from Tundra owners that already installed these intakes. Regardless of the brand of the intake, when you install it on this motor, it kind of unlocks this undercover issue that these trucks have that isn't necessarily created by the intakes, but it's amplified by the intakes. When you go to like 5 to 10 PSI of boost, not full boost, but 5 to 10 PSI, and you let off the gas, you hear this loud like thumping noise. And truthfully, it does not sound right and it's a little sketchy, and a lot of guys end up reverting back to stock. So naturally, I reached out to my boys at SXTH Elements. I said, guys, I'm getting this little bit of a weird noise. What's going on? And they were very in the know about it, and they were very close to figuring out the permanent solution. So they sent me out one of their test products that I think they're actually dialing in and getting on their website shortly. So what this is just a piece of aluminum with a porthole right here and some gaskets right there. That is a spacer to your blow-off valve or recirculation valve. Now what they explained to me is they said, your truck has always been making this noise, it's just been muffled by the factory intakes, and these intakes are meant to not muffle that noise because we want to hear our turbo spool. Now it's not an issue, that is pretty clear, like the gate valve was always making this noise, but it's not pleasant to hear. So these spacers right here are meant to alleviate some of the pressure of that gate kind of opening and closing and create a little bit of a blow-off valve noise, as a lot of this air will vent to atmosphere, right? So this spacer right here will not only prevent the thumping, but make a little bit more of a pleasant noise as you let off of the gas. So we're gonna install this, should take 15, maybe 30 minutes. And my hope for you and me is that this fixes our problem and you guys can continue to enjoy your intakes and the beautiful sound of the turbos. Now this install is really easy. On the passenger side, you'll remove two 10mm bolts to slide the electrical harness slightly out of the way. And you'll find some easy access to 3 T30 bolts. You'll find the blow-off valve can only be fitted onto the spacer in one direction and in only one way, as the bolt holes won't line up otherwise. The driver's side is definitely harder. Only one bolt is easy to get off, while the others took small channel locks, as I realized a normal socket wouldn't fit, and the other took a wild assortment of extensions to reach the bolt underneath the intake tube. When reinstalling, I was able to get a small Allen key to work, and I later figured out you could just lift the intake box up slightly to gain better access to the awkward bolt. Now that is a wrap, you guys, and I gotta say I am really impressed with this. Two things. First, it either greatly reduced or fixed that thumping noise, and again, I can't convey it through a camera, but you just gotta trust me that the before and the after sounds significantly better, and it doesn't sound like we have a problem anymore. The second is kind of a side benefit, is that little bit of a blow-off valve sound that doesn't sound like an aftermarket blow-off valve, but just like a little bit extra. It sounds really, really nice. In addition to the sound of the turbo spool from the intake, you get that nice kind of release sound when you let off the throttle. Like, it's just freaking awesome, and I really like it. So nevertheless, if you are in the market for an aftermarket intake, go check out SXTH Elements or a variety of other really reputable brands. And then if you guys have the thumping noise like I did, go check out this kit. I think you guys will be really impressed, and it allows you to keep your intakes on your trucks. If you guys have any suggestions for this build, I got some sitting on the other side of the truck, parts that just came in, but if you guys want to see anything, leave them down in the comments. I'd be happy to go buy them, install them, and review them for you. Until the next one, we will see you there. Peace out.